to the ever-evolving area of insurtech and a platform that has created simple access to insurance online, sharing how they have combined traditional insurance industries with digital business. Please welcome to stage simplesurance, the largest insurtech company in Europe, CEO and founder Robin von Hein. Robin, please, over to you.
Yeah, good morning. I'm really happy to hear. My name is Robin. I'm the founder from simplesurance. We are a company based in Germany, in Berlin. We founded the company 6 years ago in 2012, where the word insurtech or fintech was not existing. At that time, nobody was interested to build a company or to invest in a company who do something in the insurance industry. But the insurance industry might be not the sexiest industry, but that's the industry with the most liquidity. I'm the total insurance guy. I studied insurance business administration. My whole family comes from the insurance side. So I really grow up in the insurance sector. The question what I had after I finished my study and work as a classic consulting company, the question was, okay, how that an insurance company will connect to what's happening here? Will connect to their clients in the future. How will you get in touch with them? And the question was, hey, did you know when you was the last time in a classic insurance industry? Could you just wait with the first slide, please? And my question was a little bit, hey, how can an insurance company acquire the customer in the future? And I think in the past, the classic people just walking down the streets, knocks on the door from the classic insurance agency and ask for an insurance product. This is not the future. And our idea was, hey, there's a really good running business model on the classic point of sale business. So when you walking into a classic offline player, into a Best Buy, into a Media Markt, and you buy a washing machine, they offer you, for example, the extended warranty. And I think you all know that kind of business. And my idea was, hey, maybe we can do the same in the e-commerce sector. So my idea was, hey, I think that the digital point of sale is really relevant for the future to connect to customer. So our idea was, hey, let's build a software solution that we can integrate in any kind of checkout system to analyze in real time what did the end customer in this moment put into the basket and then matching the insurance product. So what we did, for example, thank you. What we did was one client here. You see one of our clients is OnePlus, the Chinese smartphone manufacturer. When you buy a smartphone at OnePlus, you see at the checkout for the end customer, you have the opportunity to choose the mobile protection plan. And this whole process is coming from simplesurance. So we matching in real time the perfect insurances, the product insurances, at the point of sale to the end customer. And the end customer bought, in this moment, the mobile protection plan just with one click. We don't need any more data from you as an end customer or about the product. Because all of these data, they are existing at the database of the e-commerce platform. After the end customer just was bought an insurance just with one click, and we all know how frustrated it is normally to buy an insurances. Yeah, we need 24 data points, we need a lot of papers, we need signatures, all these kinds of things. And here you buy an insurances just with one click. Our system is transferring then all data directly to our platform in real time, and our system is generating the insurance certificate and sending it via email directly to the end customer. So we manage the whole process for the end customer. We manage the whole process for partners like OnePlus, for the distribution partners. And we not handle the risk on our balance sheet. So we are not an insurance company. We are an MGA. We are just the middleman. We are just the digital insurance broker. So we have then contracts in the back with classic insurance companies like Allianz, for example, the primary insurance company in Europe. So at the end customer, over our service, in the checkout from OnePlus, the end customer bought a mobile protection plan from an underwriter. In this case, it is Allianz. We also handle the whole claims part on our side. So if the customer has a claim, the claim is registered over our services. And what we're doing, not integrating it one time, once we are integrated, everything inside the checkout, so we call it like in the template, the whole content is coming from simplesurance in real time. So what we're doing now, when we're going live with one of our partners, we make a classic A/B testing. We test in real time what makes more sense. For example, monthly payment against one-time payment, with theft, without theft, with deductible, without deductible, to increase the conversion of all of our distribution partners. We integrated in the last 2 years more like 2,500 e-commerce platforms or classic manufacturers. In the manufacturers for the world, for example, we make this for OnePlus, as I mentioned here, but we also work for Huawei, Nokia, Microsoft. We work for the big e-commerce players in the European Union, and we are rating like the best e-commerce insurance company in Europe at the moment. We are a team of more like 150 people, and we're operating in 28 countries. After we acquired all these kinds of clients from the classic e-commerce platform, including the manufacturers, the idea was also, okay, what could be other potential distribution partners? And we said, okay, we want to start in the direction of the classic banking industry, of the fintech industry. We all know kind of mobile payment. And there I have also all the data like the same like in the e-commerce sector. And there's one company that was our first client in this sector called Revolut. It's one of the biggest mobile banks at the moment, based in UK. And we make an in-app integration. So when you open the app of Revolut, there's a button called Insurance. You click on the button, and then you can cover the hardware where the app from Revolut is running on it. You can cover, as a mobile protection plan, your phone just with one swipe, nothing more. And then it's the same. We transfer all data to us. We're generating the insurance certificate, sending it directly to the end customer, sending the information to the insurance company, and handle the whole process. And now we are integrated in more like, we are in a discussion with more like 50 banks at the moment, with classic banks like BBVA, USB, with all kinds of big banks. We also make now the in-app integration, like we're also growing in the e-commerce sector. After this, as a founder, it was also my question, okay, what is next? So we run a business, huge, scalable. We are a lot of kind of distribution partners, but we only sell product insurances. And I said, okay, what can we do? The question was, okay, now we have all your information from you as an end customer. And now we have a relationship. We have a relationship because I cover your most important gadget, for example, your smartphone. The question was, okay, now we know you are a pure digital player because you bought the smartphone online and you bought the coverage for the smartphone online over simplesurance. And the question would be, okay, would you give us access to your existing insurance policies, to your classic insurance policies, your liability, your household, for example? And then I said, okay, let's try to launch a broker application, an insurance broker application, where we give the end customer the solution to give us access to his existing insurance portfolio, that we transfer from your offline insurance folder everything in one app, that you have an overview of all your insurances in one application, and then we can manage all your contracts when we have all these kinds of information about that, then we can manage that for you. Manage means we can give you a better quote, a better offer. We can give you offers for insurances you don't have. So at the end of the day, the broker model is to extend the customer lifetime value after we acquired you over the classic e-commerce platform. This broker application at the moment is just running in Germany. Yeah. All other things, so the classic, cross-selling we have in all 28 countries in Europe. Can we go to the last slide? Back? Yes, thank you. As I said, we are operating in all 28 countries in the European Union. We are based in Berlin. So we managed all 28 countries, including the whole claims process, customer care, everything out from Berlin with one platform. So we are the only platform whose coverage in all 28 countries. And our platform can handle all currency, all languages, all regulation things, and all compliance things. And you all know the insurance industry is really high regulated market. And now I'm really happy that we can say, okay, we're launching now. By end of this year, our first country outside from Europe. In Asia, we launch in Japan in Q4. And we are really, really happy that we are now going to Asia in 2019. We want to make minimum 1 to 2 other countries to Japan, add on it in the Asian market. Yeah, now we have time for 1 or 2 questions, if you have anything. If not, I'm really happy I'll be here for you after the meeting. Also, my colleague Mark is there from simplesurance side. Thank you for your time. Sorry for these technical problems. Thanks a lot.